Good morning, my fishing peoples. How's everybody doing? What is it? 28 September 2025. And here we are going out at our local place, Old Reem Island. We're gonna try something a little different. If I'm correct, tides started coming in already. We're gonna follow that tide in and try to fish some spots. Look at the 2-bar sea bream. There's a couple fish there if you guys can see them. And we're gonna follow the tide in and try to fish some fish. Hopefully that's further in on the flats. It's really nice fish, guys. And see what we can get into. Yeah, looks like we got good conditions and everything's on our side. If you watched last week, was where'd we go? Iron Ridge. Jeez Louise. I don't know if you guys can see those. That is an absolute tanker. I don't know if that was sea bream or MJ. I didn't get a good look at it. But yeah, last week wasn't that good, guys. Got into some fish, but guys, we covered probably 13.4 kilometers last week, and yeah, I lost some fish, but 3 fish was landed, guys. I don't know. Obviously the temps are still warm for the water, but then that's no excuse, because some of our secret spots we went to a month and a half ago, and we're catching 20-30 fish in a day. Okay, I'll say 20, I'll say 15, you know what I mean? To not make it look like I'm exaggerating, but just tons of fish, quantity and quality. And there at freaking Yaw's Island, nothing, guys. So I don't know. I think a lot of it has to do with overfishing, and you got to really work for and find where the fish are. It's like, granted, the whole push, they haven't came inside inshore, but some of them should, you know what I mean? So like, where's the fish hanging out? You know what I mean? Where are they holding, you know? That's the thing that's kind of puzzling me. So it's been a lot of work. It's been tough. But guess what? I give it up. Hopefully today we can find them. We're gonna hit up some good spots on the way. It's like a little flat. It's like literally on the left of the channel in the middle of nowhere. And then where they're doing a lot of construction, but it's like another flat that's like 4 meters deep. And I have caught some really quality fish. It's been good. So where we're going today should be a good place. My temperature on my fish finder's been iffy. I think it has corrosion on the little can't even think. The little sensor, I think it's corroded, so my temp is not correct. It's showing 21, which I know it's not 21, so I'm assuming it's 31. And if that's the case, that's better, because last week was 32.6. Still warm. So without further ado, guys, hopefully we get into something. Hopefully we bring you along. And yeah, got some cool things coming up in the future. I think you guys are gonna freaking love it. Gonna really start traveling heavy, so yeah, hope everyone's having a lovely weekend, and tight lines. Stop recording. Sorry, the darn thing just done its thing. I don't want to say the words because then it'll do it again. Oh, don't tell me I just went past the area too, darn it. My gosh. Some nice arches. Okay, that's nice. That's a nice one. It's probably a queen again, but another loss. Oh, jeez. Nice hit though. These will be different. Oh, jeez Louise. That's what we talking about, whether it's a queen or not. That's a nice fight. Gosh, gotta be a big queen. Hopefully it's not. Jeez. He is just staying down. Let's loosen drag. Oh, he's coming up. I'm assuming it's a queen, guys, but yeah, of course it is. It's interesting how you hook a queen on its freaking side of body or back. How big they become. Oh, come on. All right, I'm not even gonna. Guys, I just had a lure sitting in the water, barely on the top, because I was moving. And a freaking, of course, a queen, gosh, jeez. And a queen, of course, just hit it. Slammed it. Surprised it didn't break the rod. We call it the noodle rod. Oh. Oh, geez. that was OST. Son of a biscuit. Damn it. I didn't even realize what it was. All right. Stop recording. Hooked up. Fish on. Some nice arches, man. That can't be all queens, but I guess it could be. Some big arches. Oh, this might not be. As I say that, he jumps. Old noodle rod. This is literally, well, it's a Seymour Okuma reel. Well, the rod is a very cheap rod. And to be honest, it's a lovely rod at that. Nice action. It's a little fast or soft. Look at that. They're just everywhere. And they are underneath me. Thick as can be. Jeez. Come on, Bubba. If you don't move, you will literally be hooked. See? What I said. Those are nice arches. But with it not being deep, I'd imagine it's queens. Alright, on to the next. I don't know, I think I might want to throw on popper and have a little fun. But with all this bait fish, all these fish, there gotta be other fishing with them. There has to be, you know? Obviously did get queen. Oh, see, that is some proper thrashing. I mean, well, here we go. Oh, fish on. That's smaller. That might be. Oh, we just lost it. What is it? What is it? What is it? Dang it! Couldn't tell. Just like that. They're up, they're down, and they're underneath me. Alright guys, let's there's some just big thrashing. Let's get into that. Jeez Louise. My 11 o'clock. Alright, we're gonna get up there guys and then I'll do the video again. Stop recording. Stop recording.
Time where I want you to do mine. Fucking hell. what you need to start doing is some water releases with the camera as well.
Oh, I know.
I just worry just in case the fucking fingers are being pushed in. No, no.
I'm recording.
That's alright.
GF.
We're allowed to say that.
Well, yeah, that's why I said it.
GH.
Oh, look at all the, well, not a bunch, but little school of bait fish just swam by me. It's a nice freaking, I think it's a bombing right here on the right. Oh my God, bro. The amount of needles that just came and followed my lure was ridiculous. Like 20 of them. Bro, there's nothing. Oh, oh! As you're about to say that, I was about to say, I was like, nothing, and this guy hits it. Well, guys, it's freaking been a kind of a struggle for me. And now we finally got into something. Which is nice. Oh my gosh, he almost flipped in the freaking. Are you done? Are you done? Little dink. Here, stop recording. Well, guys, this is probably going to be a closing. Good day, nevertheless. A lot of queens. I tried to focus on other fish and poppers, so obviously I didn't catch as many as I could have. But and then it kind of turned slow. We found that flat, and then really got nothing from there. I lost 2 big fish, and then I caught a grouper probably like 20 minutes ago. But it was a good day. It was an alright day, you know what I mean? It was definitely a day better fishing than a day freaking working, you know what I mean? So can't complain. The weather cooperated, the wind picked up a little bit, but then it went away, so can't really complain. It was a good day. But it is good to see that the queens are in. The OSTs were definitely in. Lost a few of those, but other than that, it was a good day. Definitely comment, subscribe, and like, guys, and give a follow, please. And then we got 80 Angler over here. Definitely give him a follow and check out his videos. He's doing a real good job, so I'm just getting into the editing thing now. So let me know what you like and what you don't like. And then, yeah. But pretty much, we usually go out once a week, sometimes twice. Obviously, the water's still warm and fishing activity is still waiting for it to pick up, but it's still, fish are being caught, so I can't complain. But definitely happy to bring you guys along. I enjoy it. Appreciate all the love. And yeah, just never stop casting, guys. All right, hope everyone has a lovely weekend. Be safe and tight lines, my friends.